Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Russian Inventor, and in today's video I will show you how to make an Arduino based watering system which is gonna water your plants automatically, and you can be traveling and just don't worry about your plants dying. So let's get right into it. So this is a simple tutorial which I made for people who want to make their own watering system, and all the parts for this project are gonna be down below in the description, so you can buy them. And right now I'm gonna show you the parts which you will need. So for this project we're going to use an Arduino Nano, which is going to be the brains for this whole system. We will also need a water pump, which is going to pump water to the plant. We will also need this transistor because Arduino cannot power the pump, because Arduino doesn't have enough power for the pump, so Arduino would blow up. And this transistor allows the Arduino to control higher voltages with smaller voltages, or like signals. So what the transistor allows us to do is, if we send small voltage over here, it connects these two pins and allows the bigger voltages to go through. Well, hopefully I explained it well, because that was kind of complicated. And lastly, we have some easy stuff like batteries. Here I have a rechargeable batteries and a battery holder. And of course we need just bunch of wires. So I'm gonna start by building this project on a breadboard. This is called a breadboard, and it's made in a way so that you could make a circuit without soldering. It's mostly used for testing, and that's where we're gonna start off. We're gonna test that this schematic works, and then we're gonna solder it on a piece of board, and we're gonna solder it and put it in a box. If you're watching this and trying to do the same thing, then I would suggest skipping this step if you want to solder. But if you don't want to solder and you just want to make it on this board, then you just follow me, and yeah. But it's not gonna be as strong and as reliable probably as soldering. Okay guys, so I just wrote the code for this automatic system, and it basically turns on the motor for a second, just like in the last video, but it works from the batteries. Yeah, that's basically it. And now I have to write a better code which is gonna turn it on like once a day and solder it all together so it was more reliable. And yeah, I would not really recommend building it like this, because from a simple touch it all like a wire can disconnect. So it's better to take your time and solder it, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I got the soldering iron ready, and we can start soldering this machine. So let's go. Guys, so I finished building this project and it is working. I will show you the tests later, but we have a slight problem. The Arduino is consuming too much power, and because it's running on the batteries will run out pretty quickly, and that's pretty bad. So this guy has a solution. He shows how to minimize the power consumption for Arduino in like sleep mode and stuff. You should check these videos out. So I'm gonna do this right now. Okay guys, so we're done. We got the main components inside this box. We got the water pump. We got the water pump in the water, and we just need a test subject, and I know the perfect candidate. We were too late. The plant died while I was building this machine. Okay guys, so we got the plant, we got the water, we got the main system, and now when I turn on the turn on button, and I put the water thing over here, it's gonna turn on. Oh, now it's spilling everywhere, but yeah, the water is, you can see, is watering the plant. I actually think that's too much. Okay, yeah. That's all the water, and then yeah, it turns off so basically it runs for 15 seconds, and then it turns off for 24 hours, and then it runs for another 15 seconds, and it does it all in the cycle, and yeah, it works. So yeah, the plant has been watered. There's no more water in the box. The box was kind of too small for the water, and yeah. There's some improvements we could still make. For example, the mounting system. We need to somehow mount the water hose to the plant, and then I'm also planning to do some improvement on the box, like the box itself, the brains, and yeah, that's basically it. You should subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications, like these videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.